Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to unbox 83mm flat burr from Niche. This grinder has both espresso and filter focus burr sets, so it should be interesting. Let's find out. Let's find out what's in the box. We have a Niche 83 flat, stainless steel grind cup. We have espresso burr sets is already installed. Filter burr sets that's included. This is nice. That comes with a hex driver as well, so that is great. Nice touch there. We have a cleaning brush. So let's open this. They give you an unpack instruction. Yep, you got the espresso and flawless filter. Here's a manual. They give you how to change out the burrs. I should be reading this. Okay. Let's take a look, folks. Man, it looks pretty nice here. This is the burr set. This is Burr. So this is a very nice touch. They give you a casing as well. Yeah. So pretty much you're gonna take this one. So this is the burrs with the protector cover on it. It's 83mm flat. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's burrs. That's plastic. Okay. Again, that's the plastic here. They labeled. So this is a filter focused burrs. So let's put back in. I do appreciate the case. Just a dosing cup tray. We have a cleaning brush and we have the tools to take out the burrs. We have the dosing cup. Oh, this is interesting. As you can see from there, inside somewhat roundish on the bottom. So this is my original Niche dosing cup from my 63mm conical. Okay, looks pretty much identical, but slight modification inside there. Bottom is flat. This is more roundish, and also that's nicely polished as well. Seems, I don't know, it seems better feels to it. Let's put it that way. This is much bigger and heavier than Niche. So this is a classic Niche design, pretty much identical to your Niche Zero. Little taller, little fatter, that's about it. Okay, a little wider. Okay, let's move the top here, plastic cover. All right. How to getting started? Your burr sets. So they give you the range as well, as you can see, espresso, fine, filter. Yeah, different range there. On and off switch to the side, and then the core. This is, I wish more company does this. Okay, you can hide it. All right, retractable. It's not retractable sake, but you can put in and out. Okay, that's pretty nice touch there. Very nice touch. Quite nice. Okay. As we can see, so this is 63 millimeter conical, slightly taller, as you can see from there, and slightly wider as well, little wider. Pretty much it. Anything else? Pretty much identical. Okay. On and off switch, dosing cups, retractable core as well. Yeah, and then obviously you're gonna have a both duo, okay, espresso and filter. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. The fact is, it's not much to look at. Okay, Niche Duo is a little wider, a little taller than your Niche Zero, but I'm really excited about their Burrs. Okay, how easy to replace in and out to back. So I've been watching some videos on YouTube right now. Usually it takes about less than a minute to swap it out. So coming days and coming weeks, we are going to do plenty of review on this grinder. I'm going to compare it with my various grinders behind me. So let's find out. Okay, let's find out this is up to the hype. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and see you guys next time.